Hi everyone, so this is the second package that I had to pick up from the post office today. So this one is from KoreanMall, and this one actually took quite a while to get to me. I ordered this at the end of December, and it didn't come to me until now, which is in February. They actually, I believe, forgot about my order because it was on like order processing for the longest time, and they didn't even know that they forgot to ship it out to me until I actually messaged them about it. But I'm happy to have finally gotten it. So let's open it up then. So a lot of bubble wrap. I made this order because I still had points on KoreanMall and I wanted to use it up before they expired. It's bubble wrapped really well though. Ton of bubble wrap. Probably reuse this for something. Okay, it's a lot of bubble wrap. So these are posters. I'll show these at the end actually. It's quite a few posters. So I only got 2 albums. So I got B.A.P's 8th single album, Ego. And then I got Red Velvet's album. What is it? Peekaboo? Perfect Velvet. Yeah. So I'll show you guys the posters that I got. Not happy about this one. Not happy about this poster because as you can see, there's a hole right here. This poster also got damaged, which I'm a little sad about. So a hole over here. Really disappointed in a hole over here. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the haul. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.